Yeah, they took it. $575. Congratulations, you won this vehicle. All right, guys. So driving down the hill right now, trying to get back into cell phone reception because I'm in the middle of doing an auction bid as we speak. I'm out in the boonies having some stuff done. Anyways, I've got a F350, a 1997 F350 from Copart I'm trying to bid on. Crew cab. It's only got the 5.8 liter in it, the 351, so not super awesome. But if I can get into this thing, and it runs and drives, if I can get into this thing for $400, $500, Copart auctions on top of that and everything like that, I'm gonna be looking at paying like, probably like $200 in fees, so like $600 altogether. So that won't be too bad. You know, the truck, easy the way that it sets, will be worth freaking $1,500, me not doing anything to it. Probably just vacuum out the inside, make sure it runs and everything like that, and then sell it. But I'm trying to get down the road here so that I'm in a decent reception area and park so we can get bidding on this. All right, so down here at this abandoned gas station, and this is gonna be our office for right now. Got the bid going on. I'll show you right here what we're looking at. All right, volume's going. I'm not getting any sound at all. So, but this is what we're looking at. There we go. But yeah, our vehicle should be coming up real soon here, and we can start bidding on it. So I don't have a whole lot. My bid limit is like at $1,000 right now because my Copart account's messed up. So, but all right, we'll wait and see when it comes up. All right, so our item's up next. Go ahead and watch this. Okay, here we go. Sign should be passing. Here we go. Here's our item. Okay, on a bid. New bidder. There we go. 450. Oh, 475, dude. Really? Come on. Damn it. Okay. I don't want to go over 600 for this. Damn it.
Bonus time.
All right. Holding that 575. It does have a reserve. So we gotta wait to see if we get approved on that, okay? All right, guys, so the seller has countered my offer. I haven't even looked to see what it is, so let's go ahead and take a peek and see what they're asking. I really don't want to go over this 575, so I'm guessing that they're gonna pit it up at 900, but let's go ahead and take a look. See here. All right. Sorry, trying to zoom this out. All right, so here you go. The reserve was set at 700. Yo, I bid the 575. I don't know if I want to. I don't want to accept that reserve. You know, 700 is a lot for that truck, man. So I'll tell you what. I'm gonna just put it at $599 because I don't want to pay any higher on the buyer's premium for this. I mean, buyer's premium is already $185, and I don't want to go over top of that. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me punch this in real quick. Counter bid is going to be $599. Okay. .00. No. Okay. All right. Counter bid $599. Your bid amount cannot be lower than $600. Ugh. Really? Okay. Sheesh. Freaking guys making it hard on me. Okay. Let me look at something right here. My account. Membership fees. Let's see here. Price range for 600 and Zone C is going to be 210. Oh, hell no! You know what? We're just going to keep current bid. Bam. Yep, keep current bid. That's what it is. If they don't like it, then it's too bad. Confirm your bid. Yep. There we go. We're just going to keep the bid. $575. You know, they don't have to sell it to me. It's not going to break my heart. I don't have to have the truck. So, there you go.
Goddamn right.
All right, they may have already came back to my offer. Let's see here. Let me pull this up real quick, driver's seat, and see. Yeah, they took it. $575. Congratulations, you won this vehicle. Visit payment due. Yeah, there we go. Bam. Just got it, guys. So I'm just going to tell you right now, if they counterbid, you know, don't, if it doesn't feel right, don't do it, you know? Just do what feels right to you and what makes sense to your budget. So $575, we just won that vehicle. And it's gonna end up costing us $185 for the auction fees on top of that. And then roughly about $100 to go up there and pick it up, okay? And yeah, we're gonna come back and list it. For me to clear my 30% and my 5%, for me to clear my 30% profit on it and my 5% commission, Melissa did up the math on it earlier with our calculator, and it was like I had to sell it for $1,100 and $1,100 something. Anyways, should be real easy to make that mark. Now we just got to go up there and pick this pig up. Pretty stoked. So, hell yeah. Stoked. Load it up nice and easy. We'll just take it home, get it done. Freaking fat man sucking wind. Anyways, let's get back on the road. It's cold out here.
All right, so we're back at the yard, and the reason we're back at the yard is we went down like 3 blocks and the back tires of the trailer started smoking. So we're back here asking them if they will, by chance, take the trailer off, and take the truck off the trailer and turn it around for us. I actually was just talking to my dad about it, and he was telling us how bad of an idea having the engine on the back of the trailer, because the trailer has a bigger chance of whipping and fishtailing going down the freeway. So we could have actually ended up in the ditch, possibly going home. So I am so happy that this worked its way out the way it did before we made it on the freeway. The trailer now is back to empty. It's empty because it's still pinching the tires. So hopefully Monday, if you heard, we'll try to figure out something. We have to. They're charging us fees. The fees aren't bad, but they're not great. A lot of fuel to get up here. We're gonna have fuel to get up here a second day. This is not ideal, so we gotta figure something out.
All right, guys. So, yeah, driving back, empty trailer sucks. Definitely not something that we take into account of. I mean, it eats in the profits, but it's a unforeseeable issue, you know, with equipment. I didn't know that we were going to, well, we're not overloading the trailer per se, but we are overloading the trailer because how the wheel wells, like when I had this trailer fixed and everything like that, the wheel wells, new wheel wells were welded on it, or put on. When I had this trailer fixed, we had new wheel wells, we had new wheel wells put on the trailer, and they welded them apparently too close so that when I get more weight on it, they're now pinching onto the tires. All right, the trailer can handle a lot of weight with it being the twin axle that it is, or the twin axle that it is. So anyways, these are things that you run into, problems that you do run into, and it's not Copart's fault. I mean, technically, I guess it's my fault, but I've never ran anything quite this heavy on the trailer, so has not been an issue up to yet. Anyways, we're heading back down to Southern Oregon, back to our home. I mean, we gotta pretty much write off this tank of gas and pay for another tank of gas, you know, to come and do this again, and then get the trailer fixed. We can't really write off the trailer getting fixed as like onto the truck because it's just gonna be something that we'd have to get fixed regardless, all right? But it is what it is. We got to address, I don't know if we're actually gonna end up bringing the trailer back up to do this. My buddy Brian has a car dolly. We may end up getting that to come and pick it up. I don't know. We might look at different options. I'm gonna talk to some friends. We're gonna see if we come up with a better plan and then readdress this on Monday. So, but for now, I mean, I'm gonna end up, I guess, posting up what we got so far on the video and then have a part 2. So, as always, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you do like it, go ahead and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because that's going to let you know every single time that I post a video. And as always, guys, get out there, make that money, get your side hustle on. And we'll see you later.